In education, John Dewey stress on learning by doing, authoritarian teaching methods, rote learning, non-objective. John Dewey stressed learning by doing. He believed that education should be based on the principle of active learning, where students learn through the experience and interaction with their environment rather than through passive reception of information experience. So best option is the learning by doing. Thanks for watching and request you all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. That's now bye bye. See you again.